Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Use an administrator account and a stable wired or reliable Wi-Fi connection. Once done, free at least 8 GB on the target drive and ensure the USB is NTFS formatted or you have space for an ISO. Next, open Task Manager and end any running media creation tool processes. This avoids conflicts. Make sure VPNs or proxies are disabled because they can block downloads. Now relaunch the tool as administrator to begin the real work. You may still hit issues due to security or missing components. Temporarily disable antivirus and Windows Defender real-time protection, then try again. If the tool fails with errors, install pending Windows updates and update. NET runtime because dependencies matter. Also move the media tool exe into a short local folder path, no special characters, and run it from there. Network drives or long paths can prevent it from launching. After these steps, try launching as administrator and watch for any error messages to guide the. Finally, if the tool still won't open, check Event Viewer application logs to capture error codes and the faulting module. That tells you why. As an alternative, download the ISO directly from Microsoft and make bootable media with Rufus, which often bypasses the issue. If problems persist, perform a clean boot to eliminate third-party interference and retry. Keep screenshots or logs to share with support. One troubleshooting tip: always re-enable security software after testing to maintain protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.